Today, we share the timeless tale of King Vikram, a powerful king who had everything but was still searching for true happiness. Join us on this journey as a wise saint teaches the king the secret to peace, courage, and joy that lies within the calm mind. If possible, try to mimic me. It will help you improve your speaking along with listening. Let's discover together how real happiness comes from inside. Once upon a time, there was a king. His name was Vikram. He was very rich and powerful. People respected him a lot, but he was never truly happy. The king said, "I have everything, money, power, and respect. But why is my mind not calm?" One day, King Vikram decided to meet a wise saint. He wanted to know the true meaning of life and happiness. The saint lived in a small village. People came to him for advice. The king went to meet him. The king asked, "Saint, I have a lot, but my mind is not calm. How can I find real happiness?" The saint said, "Come with me, I will show you something." The saint took the king to a quiet lake. The lake was very clear and calm. It showed a beautiful reflection of the sky. The saint said, "This lake is like your mind. When the mind is calm and clear, it is beautiful and peaceful like this lake." Then the saint threw a big stone into the lake. The water moved and waves spread. The lake was not calm anymore. The saint said, "When anger, fear, and worry come into the mind, they are like stones in the lake. The mind becomes restless and we cannot be happy." The king asked, "What should I do then?" The saint said, "You must learn 3 things: courage, gratitude, and wisdom. Courage means to face difficulties. Gratitude means to value what you have. Wisdom means to understand life and your mind. And remember one more thing, helping others is very important. When you help others, you feel a deep peace in your heart. Service brings happiness and calmness to the mind." The king listened carefully. He started to treat people with love. He worked with courage. He tried to calm his mind every day. He always helped others. After some months, the king felt more peace and happiness. People's love and respect for him grew even more. Now the king understood, true happiness is not outside. It is in the peace of the mind and in helping others. From that day, the king ruled with love, courage, wisdom, and service. He was truly happy.